On my last short, I showed you the absolute silliness of unloading a table camper rig at a coffee shop versus popping on a pair of AR glasses. Let's look at what would make up your absolute best workday. Right now, the person at the table next to me can see my entire business strategy. Why? Because I'm testing a 4-pound physical triple screen laptop extender. It gives me incredible desktop real estate on the go, but it also turns my workspace into an airport billboard. But if I swap that Roadshow rig for these 87-gram augmented reality glasses, my workspace instantly vanishes from the physical world. Absolute executive privacy. One of these is a Roadshow command center. The other is the ultimate tool for spatial workspace agility. Let's look closely at what I call the Roadshow rig. First, do not be a camper. Don't set up a massive mechanical fortress at your local coffee shop, hog 2 of the tables, and broadcast your entire corporate strategy to the espresso line. The Roadshow rig is built for non-disruptive, semi-permanent outposts. So think vacation rentals like I'm doing, an Airbnb, or a dedicated setup on your private porch. That makes sense. When you need to turn a temporary remote space into a serious workspace, this is the heavy-duty answer. If you need a corporate video call on screen, a massive spreadsheet, or a chat, this delivers. The T2 Pro gives you native, zero-latency 1080p IPS glass. That's a fancy way of saying it's very workable, it's decent quality, I like it. No software drift, no head tracking lag, and the text legibility is flawless. That works for 8 hours. In fact, it kills so well for remote productivity that I've been working out of my summer hideaway here in North Carolina. I shoved the desktop monitor up onto the extra tech stuff shelf. Look at it over there, it's lonely and obsolete. It's a total paperweight because the extender gives me exactly what I need without the extra desktop baggage. Let's talk about the battery. Having the 3 screens running usually has a major effect on how long this thing will last. Basically, when I set it to 50% brightness, it'll drop from about 10 hours on this MacBook Pro to roughly 8 hours or a little bit less. That said, this setup is semi-permanent. So we're going to take the plug-in and we're going to power this laptop and the monitors using a pass-through, which is wonderful. Power issue vanishes. Keep in mind, it still requires a deep table and a solid foundation to avoid tipping, and it adds 4 pounds of mechanical mess to your bag, semi-permanent. Now, hit the local coffee shop. Leverage the Cafe King setup. Pure spatial magic. You pull a single tethered wire from your pocket, or you go wireless like the Even Realities G2, or upcomers like the Memo Mind, or Maverick, or Inmo Air 3. You slide on their glasses and your workspace expands into a private curved multi-display studio. In my case, I'm looking at an ultra-wide monitor mode. Your physical desktop is just your laptop, so nearly zero. You can run this almost anywhere. A stool, cramped airline tray table, or in my case, on a reclining couch. It's your best solution. Save it for your flights and or your game nights. And because the displays are projected directly onto your eyes, your data is safe from the curious and your competition. Anyway, AR creates its own problems. If you're going to dive into using glasses, you may hit a few snags like prescriptions or even motion sickness. So you have to follow what I call the golden rule. If you wear prescription glasses, do not compromise. Get the right custom lens inserts right away. If you're prone to motion sickness, you've got 2 quick things to do. 1, anchor your virtual screens to a fixed point in space. And 2, center the main window about 2 meters out. If your brain sees the horizon moving, but your inner ear doesn't feel it, you're going to have a really bad time. Respect the hardware, lock the screen tracking, and your eyes will thank you. Additionally, you may need a cast tool like an in-ear pod or a TV for sharing. Think of these 2 setups like your wardrobe. You wear a down jacket in the winter and a t-shirt in the summer. You consider the season or your uses before you step into using them. And remember to share which work kit fits your workday best.